Hello and welcome back to another video on ULTY. Is ULTY hanging on tight for its dear life? It looks like it, guys. It dropped down to $4.74, but it's not just ULTY. The whole market was red today, so it's okay. I'm not worried about it. Um, it's going through its thing right now, But I know this weekly paying ETF. I mean, it sounds great. I like the fact that you get paid every Friday from your dividends, and I don't know. I'm not fudded out. I'm gonna hang on to it personally. Also, to as you all know, I am not a financial advisor whatsoever. Seek out a professional person who is licensed, and I'll be able to help you out, direct you to put your funds towards your future investments. Yeah. This is literally just me taking a gander into the financial world. But look at the price. It's $4.74. This is the lowest it has ever been. Recently, not too long ago, it was at $4.85, and then it really went down. So, can it go further down? Possibly. As always, there's always a chance. But the companies that they are invested in, I think these ones are in here for the long haul. Like you got Robinhood, Palantir, Rocket Lab, CoreWeave, Hims and Hers, Coinbase, NewScale, Unity Software, Rigetti, First Solar. I mean, come on, guys. MP Material, SoundHound, Bitmine, Symbotic. Look at that. Bullish. If you're gonna have bullish in there in the portfolio, I still feel bullish even though it's red. Look at that. Strategy, Quantum, Rockin' Companies, Open Door, Pony AI, Figma, Affirm Holdings, Upstart Holdings. Like this is all sounds good to me. This is their portfolio, guys. Their portfolio. And you know, in the last video, one of you guys left a comment saying that you can't see it go past six. Man, if it hits $6 again and it stabilizes there, that's fine. That's totally fine. Because around $6, the dividends were paying 9 cents per share. And for this payout, it's 7 cents. You could take a look at their website. It's by YieldMax, by the way. So this is, you know, I'm not worried about it. I still am holding on to what I invested in. Let's go to their website real quick. I'm just gonna do this. So here we go. Just to give you guys a fun overview about this ETF, it's the UMax Ultra Option Income Strategy ETF, ULTY, is an actively managed exchange traded fund that seeks to generate current income through a diversified portfolio of covered call strategies. The fund typically invests across 15 to 30 underlying securities, selected primarily on the basis implied volatility levels. ULTY provides direct or indirect exposure to the share price performance of the underlying securities. Subject to a cap on potential gains, the portfolio is reviewed and adjusted regularly, with positions increased, reduced, or replaced as market conditions evolve. There you go. Now here's the investment objective. The fund's primary investment objective is to seek current income. The fund's secondary investment objective is to provide long exposure to the share price returns of selected underlying securities. Distributions are not guaranteed and may vary over time, which it has been. So here we go, the distributions for this week, folks. You will be receiving 7 cents per share, and we got 8 cents from the previous week. That's when it hit like $4.85, somewhere around there. And then right here, a good portion of of August and September, and October, 9 cents. Now the highest it has ever paid was $1. That's insane. $1. But that's when it was $20, like around this bracket. Where we at? Here we go. So it started at 2050. As you can see, it has the NAV erosion just really did a number on this one. And it has like this certain pattern, just goes up, down, curves, drops, goes up, drops, curves up, drops, and it just trickles and trickles and trickles. And then as we got down to here, it's been consistent, slower on those drops. From what I've heard, they had different holdings, and they were also paying monthly. And now, since they switched up somewhere around March, I believe, they changed it to different companies and also weekly payouts. That's cool. Just let you guys know their expense ratio is at 1.4% for the expense ratio, and you get paid every Friday. So tomorrow it's going to be Wednesday. Whatever you buy, and it'll do the process and whatnot, and then by Friday you get paid. You get your dividends. Now I like to set it on a drip so it could start reinvesting back into the security, which is ULTY, and purchase more shares, and just the compound interest will come into play. So that's my personal strategy, what I'm doing right now. I have lost money in this ETF, but it's no different from what I would spend on fast food places and random, like getting some boba and you know what I mean, hot Cheetos, stuff like that. So it's okay. I'm okay with the loss on that, but I feel like this is gonna go back up at some point. I mean, if will the markets will be fine in the future, right? I believe that these companies that they are invested in are going to do very well. And if they do very well, ULTI is going to do very well. So I could see it, the price appreciation will kind of go back. If it goes 50% of what its original um, open price was, that's pretty darn good. Even at 30% would be nice. You know what I mean, guys? That's my take on it, personally. But if it goes up, obviously the price appreciation goes up, and then your dividends go up as well. But right now, it's on sale, folks. I mean, a lot of stocks are on sale. Look at this. It was a red day, and we're gonna see if it continues even further down tomorrow. Here, let's look at some other ETFs. Like it's wild, guys. Like crypto got hit too. It's not just the stock market. Let's see, going like highest yields. Let's see how it looks. Look at everything's red, so don't. For me, I'm not worried about it. I'm like, oh, okay, okay, all right, it's fine. It's on sale, folks. It's on sale. So if you have some extra cash, I'm not a financial advisor by any means. I don't know if I clarified that. Do your own due diligence. Seek out a professional to help you guys out. Um, I should really say that in the beginning of the video, but it's okay. As long as it's said as long as I speak it, it's fine. So look, I mean, very few green. Like how does this one? So do your own due diligence, guys. But this stock, this ETF, excuse me, this ETF, I believe it will do good. It'll correct itself. We'll get back over that $5 mark. Um, so yeah, just to show you again, I mean, look at these companies, guys. And this is your first time being on my channel, thank you very much, by the way, for watching the video. Don't forget to leave a like and, of course, subscribe and share and leave a comment. It helps my channel grow and whatnot, as well as the algorithm to push it out there, guys. This is literally a video of me just taking a gander into the investment world and I barely started this year, so this is fairly like very new for me. All right, guys, so check this out. This is a website called Drip Calc. Sounds so weird saying that out loud every time. Okay, so here's ULTY. Its current price is $4.74. The dividend yield's ridiculous, 93.25%. Let's say if I was to purchase, theoretically speaking, say I'll buy 500 bucks, right? And then let's do a 250 every month extra investment instead of for 5 years. This is how it will look. 3,000 the first year, 20,000 the second, third year, 106K, the fourth 1 mil, and then this is ridiculous. In the fifth year, 32 million. I mean, like, like what? There are a lot of folks out there that are doing videos on ULTY and other ETFs and all that. They are very professional individuals. They have a chart and everything. They keep track on their purchases and their dividends and when they get paid out and the distribution. I mean, like, kudos to you guys. If you know how to do that, that's awesome. So they're out there. I'm sure right when you watch my video, you're gonna see on your feed these individuals, and thank you so much for actually making those videos, because you guys are helping me out figure what to invest in. And dividend paying ETFs are pretty sick, and not just that, weekly paying ones are pretty sick. So take a look. It's not in the book, folks. But okay, so let's say we can't do 500. Fine. Say 100, because times are tough. I'm not gonna lie, times are tough. And every month we could put in 100. Okay, so initial investment 100, and then 100 bucks every month. Here we go. So the first year 1,000, second year 7,000. I mean, this is quite a bit of money in my eyes. 47,000. That's basically one whole full-time job, a whole year, right? Look at that, half a mil. You know what I mean? And then the fifth year just goes bunkers at 12 mil. You know, and I could only imagine you set it on drip and let it grow, and then you water it when you can. You know, oh, look at that. It does have the share price here as like its prediction. This is not as accurate, like I said. Other individuals are they have it down to a T, which is phenomenal. Look at if it hits a $1.52, 86 cents, 49 cents, 27 cents. So it's just an estimate, but even then, like, I'm cool with that extra 7K a year, extra 47,000 a year. I mean, geez, right? And weekly paying, just get what you need to get and go from there. Um, so yeah, guys, this is ULTY. It's hanging on. It's hanging in there. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So, do you think it will go back up? Have you purchased any? Have you looked into dividends? Like, check this out. This is wild. I mean, we're looking at the future right now, folks. This is like the tech companies of in the early 1970s before they became big. You know what I mean? So take a look into it. Definitely take a look into it. Spend your money however you want to spend it. It's on you. This is an aggressive buy, a high yield synthetic ETF, but for me, like I'm saying, I'm not worried about it. There's a lot of red going on, and you know, it's all right. So let's take a look at all the coins right now. So you got some green, okay. You got some green in the crypto side. Okay. It's kind of like recalibrating a little bit faster, of course, because crypto doesn't sleep. But definitely let me know, guys, what you think. Will ULTY survive? Will it go back up? Can you see it even rising further than 20 bucks? Yeah. All right, guys. I will catch you on another video. and have a good day. Peace.